taping is for plantar fasciitis, which is typically an irritation of the origin of the plantar fascia, and it's where the plantar fascia actually originates from the medial tuberosity of the calcaneus, and it's usually extremely tender. And what we're aiming to do with the tape is actually to help support the medial arch of the foot, and I'll show you how to do that. Again, I like to use the Hyperfix, which is hypoallergenic porous tape, and we're going to place a couple of anchors, and that helps us to stick the other taping to. The first one is just around the heel. Whenever you're doing any taping around the foot, always try and keep any creases etc. to a minimum, because otherwise it will cause friction once they start to wear shoes. I'm going to place another anchor just around the base of the foot. Okay. For the actual taping technique, we're going to use the very narrow Elastoplast, which is adhesive elastic taping. This is the 2.5 centimeter or the inch size. And what we're going to do is we're going to start around the big toe, and it's really important that you capture the whole of the ball of the foot, otherwise you won't be able to create that arch effect. So we're going to start quite distally by grabbing the ball of the foot there. We're already pulling the tape up in the direction of where we want to be. We're coming quite high up over the heel. Remember that you create the tension on the tape, so always unroll the tape a little bit first, then just slacken it off, roll it back up, so you determine the tension on the tape. You're then going around another little toe, coming around the top of the foot, coming back up, and we're going to overlap the tape roughly by half, again already pulling it in the direction where we need to be, overlapping by half all the way, and we'll do one more, and you'll see that we're actually starting to create a basket weave, and that actually helps to strengthen the tape technique. Just unroll it a little bit again, and then we'll just finish it, and ideally it's best to just finish it at the top of the foot. There we go. And then just to keep this all in place once they wear shoes, just fix what we've done at the bottom here as well. And then obviously you want the patient just to stand up, make sure that it's not cutting in anywhere, and that it's actually having the desired effect, which is to help and assist with arch support and ultimately help them with pain relief.